This is a front closure wireless post-surgery bra. It was sent a review. So I'm gonna do my best to kind of show you the features of this bra. It's got this front piece here that has 3 clasps and 3 rows to make it adjustable. Behind that, you've got a long row of clasps, and those are quite adjustable as well with 3 rows. This is it fully opened. The general material is really soft, stretchy, breathable, just really nice quality. Made of 55% nylon and 45% spandex. They do come in sizes, not cups. It does have some space. There are also 2 clasps up at the top of the straps, so you can fully open the top of the straps for post-operative care or even breastfeeding, honestly. Everything is very comfortable. Like, they've got this little flap here, so that kind of protects you from the scratchies. So just make sure that's flipped the correct way. And then it's very comfortable. This is where the compression comes in, because this is gonna really like yeet, really pull. And look at that quality. Like, that is really well made. This is where you can really get the compression aspect. You could also do this one much tighter, but there you go. A great bra if you're needing this kind of thing. You can adjust this too, kind of to come down or up or wherever you're going to need it. You can also, if you don't want this part, you just want this part for some reason, you can loop it and you could just have it back here. Don't forget, these detach as well on both sides. So if you need to keep everything on, if you're getting a checkup or something, you don't want to take the whole thing off, you can just take it down from this way and pull it down and back up for cleaning, for bandaging, all that stuff. Like, so many little things going on, like really great. It comes in size small through XXL in black, tan, and white. A great bra, very flexible, how much it opens and adjusts, and it's going to be super helpful while you're recovering from breast surgery, reconstructive surgery, you name it. If you're in need of this kind of bra, give it a try.